Ang pinakamakulit, si groom, si Dennis. Ang pinakamakulit kasi lagi niyang inaasar pikunin si Zia. Pikunin siya, kaya yun. Nakikita na ko sana kapag nag-aasaran sila, pero nagbabati din naman agad. Kiss sila lagi. They always kiss.
Paano yung kiss? Congrats pala sa araw na to, sa pagpo-propose ni Tito Dennis. And sana kapag kasal na kayo, huwag niyo po kaming kakalimutan na dalawin kasi sa ibang bansa po kayo titira eh. And tita, salamat po sa lahat ng tulong mo. And always, I love you, tita.
Ayun po, Mami. Thank you po lahat na sa binigay niyo sa amin.
Hi, Annie! Ayan. So, I am very, very thankful and very, very grateful ako kasi mawi-witness ko yung iyong wedding proposal. And I know na marami kang friends, pero sobrang thankful ako kasi isa ako sa mga makaka-witness nito, no? Kasi alam mo naman yan, di ba? Since high school, nasubaybayan ko yung paglaki mo. And sabay nating binuo yung mga pangarap natin. And I am very, very happy dahil ngayon, unti-unti nang natutupad yung mga pangarap mo. And bilang isang girl at may pusong babae, I know na isa talaga to sa mga dream come true para sa'yo. So I'm very, very happy kasi maraming tao yung naghahanap ng true love. And finally, the long wait is over. Eto na yung true love para sa'yo. So congratulations and I wish you all the best.
Hi, Annie. First of all, best wishes on this special moment with you and Dennis. I have known you ever since high school, and I'm really proud of what the dreams that you have accomplished. And one of those dreams is this one. And I hope you get the love of your life and forever ma-treasure mo yung moment na to with Dennis. I hope you get a fruitful marriage together as well.
Ano ba masasabi ko? So, I'm very, very happy for you. So, dumating na si Hina sa life mo ngayon. Meron pa ulit na isang bubuo sa pagkatao mo, which is si Dennis. So, ano pa ba yung mahihiling ko sa'yo? Nasa'yo naman na lahat. So, yun lang. Best wishes and I'm looking forward na dun sa wedding yung dalawa.
Happy ako sa'yo dahil syempre nahanap mo na yung the one mo at sana maging masaya ka lang palagi at laging lumapit kay God.
Yes. Lagi kang mag-ingat and stay strong. Galingan mo palagi sa buhay.
Sis Francia, I'm so happy na dumating ka na sa part na to. I know, deserve mo to. Deserve mo to. Siyempre, no more pretensions and everything. I'm happy for you. I'm always here for you. I love you so much.
Andito na tayo sa ganitong part. Kala ko ba sabi mo kakasama tayo hanggang pag-thunders natin. Pero anyway, I'm so happy for you and sana happy ka din. Of course, I know you're happy. And to Dennis, I hope that you love my cousin so much. And if in any case that you change your mind someday, that you get tired of her craziness, just don't hurt her. Bring her back to us, and because we love her so much, and love them both. I mean, Francia and Hina. Yun lang, and congratulations. I'm so happy for you. Thank you.
Hello, tita. Congrats nga pala sa'yo. Happy kaming lahat kasi natupad na yung gusto mo. Wish ko na lang is maging masaya ka ngayon at sa darating man na ilang panahon.
Sa'yo, Jong, gusto ko sa bago mong buhay ay maging masaya ka na. Dennis, wag mong pababayaan yung bunso ko. Lahat kami umaasa sa kanya. Kaya mahal na mahal namin siya. Sana huwag kayong makalimot pag malayo na kayo sa amin. Yung ito na ang panahon na masayang masaya ako. Hindi ko akalain na malalayo ka sa amin. Lalo, mag-ingat kayong palagi. Maraming salamat din sa pagtanggap mo sa aking bunso. Mahalin mo siya. Yung kahit na ano ang nangyayari, palagi tayong nagsasagutan. Alam mo naman, mahal na mahal ka namin. Ikaw ang bunso ko. Huwag kang makalimot sa amin, pati sa mga pamangkin mo, sa mga kapatid mo. Si tatay mo, ako na lang ang pinagsalita niya kasi kahit hindi siya nakakausap mo palagi, alam mong mahal ka ni tatay mo.
Ma, alam ko ikaw yung pinakamasayang tao ngayon sa araw na to. Congrats agad. Alam ko na mahal na mahal mo si Dennis and alam ko na siya na talaga yung gusto mong tao na para sa'yo. And I'm so happy na eto na, magpapropose na siya. Ganon. And gusto ko niyang pakasalan. Yan.
Kaya naman umiyak. Kasi, dati di ba, lagi ka nagkakwento sa akin na in the future gusto mo magkaroon ng asawa, ng anak, na sarili mong pamilya. Kasi, na para bang na gusto mo kung ano yung meron si mama, na yung sariling iyo, and now, meron ka ng si Hina, tapos engaged ka pa, meron ka pa si Dennis. Wala, happy lang ako na finally yung dream mo na sinasabi mo sa akin palagi dati, nakuha mo na. At sana, kapag kinasal ka na, sana mas maging masaya ka pa.
Why?
Bubang? You remember that I always ask you about your past because for me, your past makes who you are now. Now I think it's better to get to know you. Remember that we would learn each other's language. You study Chinese and Tagalog. Ako ng Tagalog. sorry.
Tapos?
And sorry. Nervous. Sorry. Sorry. You know what? I really admire your empathy and willingness for taking care of your loved ones and families and friends also. Bubang, when you're hungry, I'm your somai. When you're thirsty, I'm your coffee. When you are sick, I'm your medicine. When you're depressed, I'm your punching bag. When you get married, I'm your groom.
Why?
You came into my life like a gift. I'm really thankful. You complete me. You had me at hello. Uba, from now on, you only have 3 choices. First is to marry me. Second is to marry me. Third is still to marry me. Yeah. And I want to use I do as the end of our relationship story and the beginning of the marriage story. Amores piano, papakasanan mo bago. Will you marry me?
Opo! Ay! Wag! Opo! Ay! Ganda! 11. Love you po ba?
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
The more I look, the more I find the reasons why you're the love of my life. You know one of these days when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. We'll forever be in love, so there ain't no need to rush. But one day I won't be able to ask you loud enough. I'll say, will you marry?
Congratulations and best wishes, Annie and Dennis!
Will you marry me? And if I lost everything,
Lumapit lagi kay God para, di ba, hindi maging strong yung relationship nyo at alagaan nyo si baby. Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Best wishes and God bless you more.
Hoping for the wedding soon, and I hope you, Annie and Dennis, will get a very happy life together. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Francia and Dennis!
I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry? And would you do it, baby? Got me singing. Got me singing. Would you marry me, baby? 105 is the number that comes to my head when I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what I plan to do.